We're going to be doing What a Beautiful Name It Is, showing you the progression one after the other, and then taking it as slow as possible. So I want you to observe the chords, the progression, and then, the way I play it. Yeah. So um, on your song sheet, it might start with chord one, right? But I'm playing a six, yeah, a 6 7 1. It's the same as the one, but I'm just transitioning from. It sounds like this. Right, or someone will just play one. Okay, but I am playing it from a 6 7 1. All right. Okay. So if you're watching, this is it. So it's you start from a 6 7 1, then you do a 4 6 5. So it's just like 1 4 6 5 progression. 1 4 6 5. So let's look at it. The only addition here is the 6 7 1. But let's do the 1 4 6 5 progression first, so that you would understand what I'm saying. Okay, so that's 1 4 6 5. You getting it? Okay, so 1. All right, so I'm doing the 6 7 1. Then you do it again. 6 7 1 to 4 6 5. What a beautiful name it is. Chord 1. What a beautiful name it is. 5. The name of Jesus Christ our King. Alright, so that's another progression. I'm breaking it into simple progressions. So we have the 1 5 6 4. So it's like 1 5 6 4 1 5 6 4, like that. Okay, so what a beautiful name it is. 1. What a beautiful name it is. 5. The name of Jesus. 6. Christ mine. Then you do a chord 3. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to this. Alright, so the chord 3, I most of the time play E minor 7, or you can do this. So that's why it seems like I'm playing a 5 and then a 3. Right, so what a beautiful name it is. 1. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. So you can do that walk. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. 6 5 4. Then what a beautiful name it is. That's the E minor, chord 3. Nothing compares to this. 5. What a beautiful name it is. 6. The name of Jesus. Alright, so this place, so another progression has been given. It's a 6 5 4 6 5 4. Okay, so the interlude, there's something like I hope you are looking at it. It's a chord 4 on the left, right? But we're playing this note, the G note. So it's like 4, 5, then 6, then 3. So chord 4. 6. So we're actually doing a 4, 5, 6 here too. All right. Aside the vocal. So you have no equal 4, 5, 6, that's 3. So the chord 4 you can play or you can do you do the normal 4, 5. This one you can do E minor 7. Sorry. This one to another E minor 7. Yeah, this one was an A minor 7 and then the E minor 7. Yours is the kingdom. What a beautiful name it is. 1 again. 5. 6, 5, 4. So by learning the progressions in short like that, you should be able to play it. It's a 6, 7, 1, 4, 6, 5. So it's a 1, 4, 6, 5 progression in the beginning, but you can do a walk from 6, 7 to 1. Then it continues like that. Then you move into the next progression where it is 1, 5, 6, 4, and then the instrumental where you have the 4, 5, 6 to a 3, and then it continues like that.